Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Um, I've been disappeared a little bit. Uh, Batteries went down. Need to charge the batteries. Wasn't feeling good. Still not 100% back yet. But I decided to make a video because it's end of the week, and there are quite a few new people, and they might be thinking where the heck I am. So just for everybody to know that I'm not feeling very well, exhausted, and the reason is my wife is not here, and I have to do everything myself, and I want to, have everything perfect, as it is, the house, the kids, laundry, the cooking, and all that, and it just had a toll on me, and here I went down. So trying to come back, and hopefully over the weekend I'll have a good rest, and then for the following week I'll be okay. She's coming back on the 24th, so soon the things will be back in normal. But let's go over for just a little market view, what's happening. Luckily, even though I wasn't active this week, but in the beginning of the week, I gave the charts out, and those charts were awesome, very wonderfully. They all played out, and just going. And I think yesterday I saw a couple of things that might be a turning point or a little bounce. So I tweeted about pound yen may bounce or something else. I think, I don't know, GA probably. But it was a very small bounce, and then those supports were broken and they will keep dropping. Pound USD was the best one so far. So let's go over with these charts a little bit so that the new people will understand where we are standing and what is the plan for the next week. Maybe this is the end of the road for the downside. Okay, this was basically the retracement actually. It could be a turning point, but as it is, the whole market went down as a retracement. Most of the time, I mean, I'm talking about like pound, Aussie, like euro was a strong downtrend, still going down. And again, for that also, maybe the end of the road, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. USD. See, this is the chart. Okay, let's get started. This is the USDS chart, and we were just hitting it long, and this was my target that we must go up here, and that we just blew past by that target, whatever it was, and I said that if we cross these areas, then these highs will be the next target, right? So we are very close now to this high, and I believe that as before that, or as if we touch that, we're gonna have a nice drop of the USDX. The USDX will lose value, will weaken, and then it may give a boost to a euro, and then euro USD may see some retracement, and so on and so forth. So, but this is not the important thing. I want to cover the chart that I gave. So the first chart, let's see, is this pound index. Sorry, maybe my voice is still not very good, right? So apology. Not feeling good. Even my breathing is heavy. Having a hard time. It's nothing major. It's just very tired. It's like batteries are gone. But they're coming back. I charge every night. Okay. So pound index, we were tracking from here. You can see Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, and then we had to come down here for wave 4. Then we go up for wave 5, and then ABC correction to the downside. Everything intact. Everything going according to the book with this index so far. So let me show you the charts. Next, what happens from B to 4 is we came here nice and clean, A, B, C, 4, wave 4. Then we had to go up. So yes, I said we're gonna go up here somewhere, and we end up here. Okay. Now here I start seeing the sign that maybe the wave 5 will be finished, because it's a small candle here. So weekly chart starts showing up. And then I said we probably come down to this area, 88.31. But remember, this high is also very important. First 95.70 and then 93.17 in between. Okay, so this 97 and 95.70 and this one is, all these the same thing actually. Okay, this high is regarding this one. So maybe a few pips here there, but this is the important one, the main one. So 95.70. So for now, so far we start dropping and we're dropping and we're dropping and we are very close to 95.70. And I don't know where the live chart is right now. 95.70 is, let me check, hold on the computer. The index, the pound index is at, it bounced actually, it bounced. It touched 95.70 and already bounced and back to 96.04 right now. See that? This is how it is. So it made the low of 95.65. Okay, so this high here is 95.70 and this high here, oops, gotta go to live chart, power index. Oh man, I'm having even a hard time talking. Okay, this is 95.46 and this high is 66, 95.66. Okay, see how calculated it is. You just have to figure it out what it's doing. I forgot to mark this middle one. Oh, come on. All right, so this is 66, 95, 66. Let me just separate them a little bit so that we can read them properly. This high is 66. Okay, and how low we came? We touched 95.65. So this is the one. It's between this one and this one. So this is the area. Okay, major area. So far we touched that 95.65 and we are back to 96.01. And what I see on a smaller time frame, let me show you to you. It's a very, very, very clear 5 waves to the downside. Okay, let me show you on the 1 hour chart. You'll see it. Here we go. Okay, forget about that. Man. I thought my nose stopped running, but started again. Anyway, all right. So you can see it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5 wave to the downside, and after going, see this retracement here, it went up and then came down. So we need a retracement. If this stops here, we need a retracement, maybe 50%, maybe this high here, and then around maybe 65% ABC correction. Okay. Or if we end up having 5 waves to the upside again, then it will be wave 1, and then that means that it would mean that we will probably see some more upside. Then if we get 5 waves, then there will be like back retracement with 3 waves, and then again to the upside, and so on and so forth. If we get to the upside in 3-wave fashion, then it would be like this is the impulse wave, that would be the correction, and then here we go down. Okay, so time will tell. So what we see, how it happens. Watch it over the weekend, then Monday we'll watch what this thing wants to do, and you'll get it. Don't worry about it. You always get it, right? Okay, see how that high on the monthly was 95.66, and okay, they don't want to give me 66. It gives me 95.67 or 65. Thank you. Anyway, so this was the exact touch here, that high, I mean to that low, and now probably going slowly. So it may go up, it may not. Today's Friday, very shaky. I'm not been trading, and I'm not gonna touch anything today as well. This week I just let it go, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is what the pound index is doing. It is at the support, and this is a bigger picture here, that all the, we drop here, we went up, and we hit this high. You can see here the highest point with this conjunction here, 1 2, actually these two highs, you see this 96.03, and the highest point was 0161. We made the high of 0140, very close. Exactly, I would say, because it's a monthly chart. 20 pip mean nothing. Okay, so we hit this resistance, and boom, we dropped. Simple as that. And also we finished 5 waves count, if we see on the weekly chart, like this one, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, we went up, and we drop a little bit. So are we gonna drop more, like I said, all the way up here? And what's going to happen, time will tell, because we were very good station, and we took off, and now we are like in the middle of the road. So let's see if we make the turn or continue. Okay, the time will tell. Like I said, right now at this support, we are at this support. 95.66 is holding for now, and we take it from there. Okay, next week. Don't worry about today. The week is finished. Okay, we may see a rally, actually, because of all the shorties bear. They will close their trade, and we might have a profit-taking rally. Okay, so be careful. If you are short, cover your profits. This is pound index. Let's go take a look at the chart that we had, a pound USD. You all remember this? And this is the chart. Again, Elliott wave, 1 2 3 4 5. Pound index going up, getting strong. That means, pound index coming down, getting weaker. That means pound USD goes down, especially when the USD is getting strong as well. So this was our 4th wave end here, and I said for wave 5, we were coming down here, and all the way straight, we came down so far, this far. Okay, so we might be ending here as wave 5. And then again, if the index start going towards for the correction, at least if you start going up from here, at least the first target would be back to this wave 4. Okay, so we will see how it is. It's not going to happen today, so we may make it, see a little bit of turn, and maybe go up here somewhere. Let's see. But so far, we, pretty, I'm sure that I got quite a few emails that, we are short. So I think most of the subscriber took this trade nice and clean, and made actually, a lot of pippage. This one gave us a lot of pippage, right? From 55 to 47. How much you took, that's up to you. And it's up to how much confidence you have on my charts. Okay. All right. So this came out very nice and clean, and the other one was pound. It's all pound. It was all about pound this week, right? So the other one was pound yen chart, daily chart, a nice harmonic pattern, ABC, possible Gertley, and we started from point C. Thanks to Mr. Ted. He mentioned that he took my focus on this chart, and then I made the chart send out. It looks good because of the pound weakness. Actually, it was very feasible, and from there you start coming down here slowly, and then slowly. And this was the concern that this is a monthly number, 8068. This is what I tweeted yesterday, that we might get a bounce from here, and but we stalled there a little bit, and then after that just continue going down there. So right now we are here, and be aware of this TL here. Okay, what happened is that if this pattern fails, it will fail right here. If we drop below that, it's a very good chance that we will come to this low, and we break that, then we come to this low. Simple as that. Why we fail? Because this could be like wave 1 2, big one, and then again this is small wave 1 2 followed by 3 4 5 to the upside. It all depends on how the yen is doing. And I see the yen is sitting on the trend line, but not being able to break to the downside. So if the yen index starts going up, the yen is going to get weaker, and we may see some upside from here, especially when the pound is at support and bouncing after making 5 waves on an hourly chart, right? So if the pound start bouncing, then the pound will get strong, and then the yen getting weaker, and then the whole story, turning point maybe right around at this TL. So let's see, what will happen. So that's what I want to just show, that, we made quite a few pips, right? We dropped for here. We start dropping from 184.50, and now we're talking about we are at 178.81, and so let's say 179. So that's almost 500 point here, 500, more than 500 point on pound Aussie. Euro USD, amazing chart, right? Not amazing, actually. It's like a piece of cake. Everybody know what's gonna happen to Euro USD, so it's no big deal. Let me show you the chart. Oops. Okay. Maybe that was the chart here. Sure, this is a long-term chart. This is a weekly chart. Remember, this February 8th, Euro USD weekly. The targets are 1069, 0917, and 0761. I explained this again and again in the last webinar I did March. Excuse me. The last webinar I did on that was, I think, March the 8th, and I explain again that we continue dropping and just keep shorting the thing. And the target was 0761, and then if we go below that was 06 something, and then 03. Okay, so what happened here? This is the 06 was here. I don't have marked here, but 0344 was after 0761. So we nice and clean, we broke that thing, right? So here's my first target was here, this 0761, but if you go below that, then it would be 78.6%, and well, 78.6% is a little far, but this thing will come first, 0344, if we continue to drop. But Euro index, USD index is at the peak right now, and the very, very top, the high, the resistance is coming in. It's a huge resistance, so let's see what happened over there. Okay, so here you can see nice and clean. We came down here, and today we touched what, 0507. We are close to that. We went down below or not, I don't know. Let me see. No, we are holding. 05 is holding right now, so very good chance that we will dip for 03, whatever that number is. 0344, that's again 160 pip more, but we may not, we just, if 05 holds, and then we may see some upside. So it all depends on the fundies what happened, but it's a big drop, right? See, so we need some correction. So, and if the correction it will probably take us back to 1638 or something, this low here, or 1876 or something, if we start going up. So let's see, what the Eurozone gonna come up with, and the USDS, if the USDS start dropping from that resistance, just like pound, it went up, and then hit this resistance, and boom, drop from there. So USDS will probably, nothing goes straight up or straight down, right? So we have to make the retracements. So this is so far what happened. These were my old chart. Nothing happened there, and yeah, okay. So this is it for now. Anything else I have to show? No. So basically that's what it is, and major charts were pound, and it looks like that we may see some stopping right there, and today's Friday as well. So this is what's happening. And again, I'm making this video just to show the new people that it's not that I just simply disappeared, but I already have given these charts to play with, and everybody's playing it. And just, once you have the setups, and then they are there for good, because these setups were like for last few weeks now. Okay, the pound USD, it's been 3 weeks, we're hitting to the downside for wave 5. And these are the beauty of this daily and weekly chart, that once you know what it is, then on a smaller time frame, all you got to do is just find the setup, small rallies on 5 minute, 50 minute, 1 hour, and then start taking this shorts in the same direction. Keep hitting it until the wave finished. And I just show you that index made the 5 wave clear, 5 waves now, and then that is hitting the big number there. So it's probably gonna hold there and then go see some retracement to the upside. Okay, so when that happens, I'll make new charts and start sending out for the next week. But for now, this is it, and just relax. I am for the week. I'm gonna sleep most of the time. I don't know, for some reason I can't even get up and stay up. I'm getting up and then again, feel sleepy. So I'm hardly doing my job. So I let everything go. Let the kids whatever they want to do. I just drop them up. And now, after sending this video to you guys, I'm going to sleep until the school pickup time comes in, because I don't trust anybody dropping my kids to the school and picking them up. I do it myself. So this is it for now. And hopefully I see you guys again. I may hold a live webinar on Sunday. Okay, I'll schedule it and I'll send it out, because I hope that between today and tomorrow I'll get even better. And then look at some charts on Saturday. Look all these charts for turning points or new setups, if there are any. The pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, those pairs, and then we take it from there. Okay. And this is it for now, and you all have a very, very good weekend. Thank you, and bye now.